Don't you know the rules of the road? That's a fatal mistake. Hi, I'm Vasya, your driving instructor. Welcome to the channel where we learn to drive safely, confidently, and without any fines. If you want to improve your driving skills and avoid trouble on the road, you're in the right place. Today, we have a task for you. And trust me, it's not an easy one. Only a few of our viewers usually answer this correctly. So here's the situation. You are guilty of a misdemeanor, and the police are chasing you. Any person who willfully flees or attempts to evade law enforcement while they are performing their duties is guilty of a misdemeanor punishable by: choose the correct option. Number 1, a maximum fine of up to $1,000. Number 2, a maximum fine of up to $5,000. Number 3, 1 year of imprisonment in a county jail. Number 4, neither of the above. Pause the video right now and write your answer in the comments. At the end of the video, you'll find out whether you are right or not. I'll set the timer and give you 10 seconds to think it over. Time's up. I hope you had enough time to make your choice, because now we're moving on to the breakdown of this task. A driver who flees after a police officer issues an order to stop has likely committed a criminal offense known as evading or eluding a law enforcement officer. This is a serious violation that can lead to severe penalties. The precise definition of eluding a police officer can differ somewhat from state to state. But the core idea remains the same. A driver intentionally disobeys a law enforcement officer's command to stop. Some examples of evading include immediately speeding away from the officer stopping, but then driving off again, driving several miles before pulling over, increasing the speed of the vehicle, turning off the vehicle lights to avoid being seen. All of these actions can be considered an attempt to evade law enforcement. Now, here in California, the law is very clear. Any person who willfully flees or attempts to evade law enforcement performing their duties is guilty of a misdemeanor punishable by imprisonment in a county jail for not more than 1 year. So the correct answer is number 3, 1 year of imprisonment in a county jail. Congrats if you chose it correctly. You clearly know the rules of the road. And if you want to keep learning and make sure the police never stop you and issue a fine, subscribe to my channel right now.